This Remax Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdman. 8 acres near Lake Monroe. Limestone house with 3 bedrooms, 2 do not have closets, large living room and eat-in kitchen. 8 beautiful acres of rolling terrain. Newer roof, 2019, replacement windows, updated electrical, and brand new septic system. Oversized 2-car garage with new siding and doors with workshop area inside. Separate limestone storage building. Home has a small studio apartment attached to the garage. The studio has a very small kitchen and bath but needs extensive work. We are not able to show the studio at this time. Home is rented for $800 per month plus the tenants pay 4/5 of the utilities. The studio is rented to a long-term tenant for $325 per month and the owner pays the remaining 1/5 utilities. Both leases expire around August 2022. Tenant in the home said he might be open to moving in spring if the buyer desires. Please note, the expenses are only showing 1/5 of the utilities and are just an estimate. For more